Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are unboxing from Prime Studios a quarter scale Superman hash. Okay, let's open it up. So here we have Superman hash from Prime Studios, quarter scale, a bonus version. Let's have a look at the art box. That looks pretty cool. So it's a bonus version. No, that looks amazing. Look at his face. Okay, I think let's get him out of the box. So here we get a catalog, Summer Collection 2025. And then this is the assembly instructions. Okay, securely packaged. Now let's open it up. Lots of pieces here. That's the base. So we got the 228 out of the 750S. What is this base? Just
This is the smaller version of the third scale base. Let's look at the instructions.
look at the base.
So next we do the body.
Look at all these details over here. So that's half body of Superman. Easily plugs in there. Look at the amazing paint job on it.
You think that's Superman himself or the body and the cape?
So nicely painted.
Oh, it's padding they put in here.
Oh, that's pretty secure.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so cool.
And now this is the heads. No damage. This is the necklace thing. The flash coins. Just
So here's the first portrait of Superman, and his hair's looking that way, and sort of very angry face. Look at all these details on his face. And then we look at the second one. You can see more of his eyes in this one, bit softened around this area, and hairstyles are a little different. That one was pointing that side, this is that side. Bit square jaw. And the third one is a rage one. he is looking that way, all red in the eyes. Pretty cool. And here is the fourth one. So here's the fourth one. It's looking straight. Those two look pretty much the same, just slight difference around the features around the cheeks area. But which one you guys like the best? So we'll try to put each portrait in and see how it looks. This is the bonus version portrait.
It's a looking down portrait.
Oh, yep. Sort of similar, but the hairs is just a little different. Okay, so let's have a look at the other one.
That one. Looking off to the side, I believe.
Yep. Cool. Oh, this one's looking this way.
You normally put the vines around it because it's being possessed by poison ivy. It's going all crazy.
Yep, that looks good too.
Yeah, I like that look too.
Yeah. Maybe
Good
we
stuff.
should have this one, you know why? Because we go one that way, and we should have one with the rage and
Got one
poison
more to
ivy
choose
doing
from.
her thing. So let's try another one.
So this will be the bonus version.
So the
So
bonus
this
is
is the
looking.
Jim Lee version. So if you have a look at that art, that CGC, it's basically that portrait there.
Okay. So that's that one there. But that looks good.
They'll look good, don't they?
Yeah. Okay, let's try another one.
That's it. That's the four.
We've done all
We've
the
done
four. Well, for me, I think we should put on the rage. That's what I'm thinking, because we've got one hush looking down there. Well, it's all up to you, choose.
Plus with the setup that I've got there, I think the rage will look good, but you will
Yeah,
take this one off now.
and we can
It's
always
a good
swap.
strong magnet.
4 seasons, 4 portraits.
That's a good way of doing it. And you get these headstands, which is really good. So you can easily swap them around.
Yeah. Are you gonna put them on display?
Yeah, I'll just put it underneath the statue like this, basically.
Yeah. So
Put
that
the
can
rage
be
one on.
summer. No, that's summer. There will be autumn, winter looking down, and spring. So let's have a look at the final look of our quarter scale Superman hash. And what's the difference between that Superman hash and this Superman hash? You can see we've chosen the rage portrait for him. And first have a look at the paint job for, no, first we'll just have a look at this entire thing. Look at his entire outfit with all the cross hatching going on from top to bottom and the different shading of painting.
Face is different as well. It's a smaller profile.
And we look at the sculpted cape here. A amount of cross hatching's been done on it, and you can see the different colors,
And shading.
different shading here. So this is the quarter scale. So guys, I'm just gonna show you the difference between the quarter scale and this is 1/3 scale. So this is the 1/3 scale. This is 5 years old, over 5 years old statue. And look at the color. The other one was a little bit darker color. This one's a bit lighter, and this is sort of fabric cape on it.
So the base has got the angels.
Yeah, that base is kind of simple,
Small profile.
and it's got the vines on his base.
And this one it rotates.
Oh, the base rotates, yeah, but that base doesn't rotate. Okay, so this is the newest Superman hash. And if you can see, that's the,
Put them side to side, too much to move around.
yep. And that's the over 5-year-old Superman hash, the 3rd scale, and the newer versions here. Both of them look amazing.
Oh, the third scale has a space, and this will be going with all of our quarter scale collection.
Wow. You can see the difference in colors.
But they're both
And
amazing. Like,
yeah, they're both Superman.
they're both super.
Okay, so what do you guys think of our new edition? Superman's always everyone's favorite. You can see all sculpted cape here. And that's where Superman stands tall. These are the portraits.